In this video, let us know about the formulas for mean, median, mode in the case of individual series, discrete series and continuous series. First, mean formula. In the case of individual series, formula for mean is x bar equal to sigma x divided by n. This n is nothing but total number of observation. Next, formula for discrete series is x bar equal to sigma fx divided by n. This capital N is nothing but total of frequency. So we have to add the frequency values. Next, in the case of continuous series, or that is frequency distribution, formula for mean is x bar equal to a plus sigma fd divided by n into c. So this a is nothing but assumed mean, and we have to find the total of fd and n, and also we have to find the value of c. C is nothing but class interval. So this is the formula for arithmetic mean in the case of continuous series. Next, formula for median. Median in the case of individual series, we have to check first whether the n value is odd number or even number. If it is odd, we have to consider the size of n plus 1 by second term. That is a value of median. Next, suppose in the case of even, first we have to consider two middle terms. The middle terms are n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, and then we have to find the average. So in the case of even, we have to find average of two middle terms. Next, in the case of discrete series, formula for median is size of n plus 1 by second term. Next, in the case of continuous series, formula for median is, that is median equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into C. So this CF is nothing but cumulative frequency, and this F is frequency value into class interval, and this L is nothing but lower limit. Next, formula for mode. First, mode in the case of individual series. Mode is nothing but the value that occurs maximum number of times. So that particular value is the modal value. Next, in the case of discrete series, so we have to find the mode by using grouping method. And in the case of continuous series, we have to use the formula, that is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 plus F2 into C. So this F1 is nothing but frequency of model class, and F0 is frequency of pre-model class, and F2 is nothing but frequency of post-model class, and this L is lower limit and C is class interval. So this is the formula for finding mode in the case of continuous series. Thank you.